Hey there, this is Abby of Southeast and welcome to another amazing episode. So on today's episode, I'm going to be showing you the solar lighting kit. And you know I cannot see something this good and not bring it to your notice. So I'm going to be meeting Engineer Jude, who is going to be showing us how this particular kit works. Come with me. Oh, 3. Wow, okay. Good afternoon, Engineer Jude. How are you doing? Okay, you told me about this particular solar lighting kit. I would like you to tell the audience how this works.
I think for this explanation I have to stand.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. This solar lighting kit does wonders when it comes to helping to illuminate your environment, especially when it comes to this epileptic power supply that we are facing in this. This our country. All right. So basically, as a student, it is a must get for every student.
Oh, okay.
For any student that wants to make A's in his or her own courses or subjects, because making it you can use this to study in the night. Like since during the day it's too noisy, but with this you can study peacefully in the night when there is calm environment. So let me unbox this package, this wonderful package to you.
Okay.
This is the mother light.
Okay.
Okay, this is the mother light.
Okay.
You can just remove this. This is the mother light.
Okay.
In which once you get it, to remove this knob here, so that you can freely operate the light.
Okay.
It has 2 LEDs, this and this, the pointer and the body lights.
Okay.
So with this, you can operate the other lights.
Okay, it has other lights.
Other lights, yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, 3. Wow. Okay.
So, in case you want to help and give your neighbor light, you can just channel this, share your lights to your neighbors.
Okay.
By that, you just have to remove this.
Okay.
To use this, you have to remove this, then activate it. You will see this light will start glowing. Then you will now connect anyone that you want to connect, and it comes with a self switch.
Okay.
You can turn it and turn it on.
Oh.
So you can connect with this bulb, it can last up to 22 hours, but connecting the 3 bulbs, it can last up to 10 hours.
Okay.
Using the 3 bulbs simultaneously.
All at once. Okay. Okay.
So, and one thing that is special, that is nice about this product is that you can use solar panel to equally charge it.
Okay, it has a solar panel.
Yes, it has a very nice, powerful solar panel, small solar panel.
This one will be outside.
Yes, you install this one outside. Then you take the wire inside. Then you will put it here. Once you put it here, senses light. You will see a red light. Means that it's charging.
Oh.
It means that it's charging.
Okay.
So in the case that maybe you don't wish to use a solar panel, you can use your electricity to charge it also.
Oh wow.
It comes with a power cord in which you can just slot it here.
When there is light, you can
just charge it. Another thing that is good about this, it has also an emergency phone charging, in which that maybe you are reading your books or you are just in your house and your phone went down, you can just plug it and charge your phone.
Okay, so basically the whole thing about the solar lightning kit is so that you can have light in the house.
Yes.
Okay, it helps to make sure that there is steady light.
There is steady light.
You said something that it is not a generator, it is...
It's not a generator, this is just a lighting kit. It comes with its own body light, and it can implement other light, external light to it, which is this.
Okay, so this one now is not like the normal general one that people usually use, that you can connect TV. This one is just
this is not a solar generator. This is solar lighting kits.
Okay, so that's what makes it different. So you can't
Yes.
charge laptop.
You can't charge laptop.
do
You
TV.
can't charge TV. You can't plug TV on this. This can just give
And
you
this is
light
very portable. You can
charge your
more like
phone.
carry it to
You
travel
can
or
just
something.
slot it into your bag and just be using it.
Oh wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much. And how long does the battery last? Like, you know, solar most times the battery they can say it's last. You said something about 18
Yes.
hours. Is this thing like is it going to last longer when it stays with you for some time, or would there be a time when you have to change the battery or anything?
Using any appliances, any appliance that uses battery, it has the duration of lasting depends on how rugged you are using it.
Okay.
The ruggedity of using and the frequency of using it. Because once you are using an appliance that uses battery, the frequency of using it is how is
You're going to be
straining the battery.
Okay.
Especially if you are not, especially if the battery is not receiving adequate charging and using it. So that's why.
So is it something that you can just leave and let it be charging, or is there a time where you have to off it so that it doesn't overcharge and spoil the battery?
Okay. Looking at it here, it has an indicator, first and the second and the third, which is 50, 80 and 100.
Okay.
So once it gets to 100, it means that it has full up.
You have to unplug it, or will it stop charging on its own?
Once it will stop charging on, because it's gone with auto cutoff. They call it auto cutoff to stop charging on its own to protect the battery.
That means you don't have any fear of when it's going to overcharge.
No,
wow,
not at all.
This is
awesome.
It's
a very nice product.
Wow, this is awesome. Thank you so much, Engineer Jude, for putting us through this. Thank you so much. So I think this is actually a necessity. What do you think about this solar lighting kit? I think it's a necessity because in a place like Nigeria where you always have regular blackouts, I think this is very important in every home or every house or for every student. So remember, my name is Abby of Southeast, and if you're looking at buying genuine lantern properties right here in Southeast Nigeria, you can feel free to call the phone numbers you can see on your screen. Also, let me know what you think about this particular tool. Do you think it's something you would want to have? And it's quite affordable. If you want to know the price, you can just hit me up. See you in my next video.